So now that we have created our slides, our presentation, we want to start formatting it. We want to start adding some formatting features to it to make it look lively. So the first thing we do is to add our theme. Where do you do that? Go up to the menu, you see the third one, the fourth one on the list. We call it the design menu. Click on the design menu, then choose any theme of your choice. I think I like these feathers. This is what it will look like. Or if you choose this one, wow, this one is beautiful. So I'll choose this, and automatically it will assign this very theme to all the slides have this very theme, and this is it. It has some tiny bubbles around the page. Then after doing that, the next is to format the background of this very page. You click on format background here. You say the gradient fill, is that what you want, or solid fill? I prefer solid fill. If you want to add picture or texture fill, you can click here, and then you can come down here to choose the picture you want to use as the fill. For example, you can come to that button, click on that button, then move straight and locate an image that you would like to use. I would like to use an image like this one, or an image that has a Nigerian flag. Can also be preferable because we're talking about Nigeria, or something like this is still cool if that is what you want. Then after that, you can come straight to increase or decrease the transparency level. Take a look at what we have. It's much more transparent, or is now the opacity is very low. You can tile the image to make so many pieces of it on this background if you want, or untile it. This image is very big, so tiling it will not be almost possible, will almost be impossible. But if you really want to force it, click on it and choose your offset X or Y. You need to automatically start splitting it to whatever you want. I don't know if you are noticing what is happening on the screen. I'm seeing additional overlap of this image appearing from the left. See, you can make it 250, you can make it 950, wow, or 450. I've tiled the image into two different sides, into two equal halves, but that's not what I want. I just want to return back to 0, and I don't really want to use an image as my background, so I can go back to my gradient fill or solid fill. Solid fill is still okay for me. Then you can click apply this to all pages, and it will appear in all the pages. Then you close this formatting of the page background. So the next now is on animating your slide page. Where do you do that? Go straight to the transition. I just clicked on the transition. You see different transition formats, transition styles. You can click there to see more. Take a look at this. When you drop your hand on it, it will change to a different style of appearance. You can go back again, choose another one, and watch it appear in a stylish form. Wow, this is awesome. I think I like this one. I will leave this for now, and then you can choose the timing. Do you want this very effect to be applied in the whole of these 7 slides? If you so choose, you click apply. Then at what number of seconds will this appear? Will it make noise? You choose the duration, and if it will come with sound. Yes, I want it to come with sound, and this is how I achieve that. we go straight to sound and click on drum roll. Then how many minutes or seconds you can increase or decrease. When the mouse is clicked, is that when it will appear, or do you want to assign a particular number of minutes or seconds that it will automatically appear by itself? If you want, you click this. But now let's set it to when we click our mouse. Press F5 on your keyboard, or you can come down to this place and click on the slideshow button. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. This is how we create a small slide with whatever thing you have in mind. So if you want to stop it, let's go back and continue with our editing. You right click, say right click, and click on end show. So right now we are going back to the very first one. Then we want to apply all these changes to all. Then the next after this is to animate our write-up. Select the write-up. Then let's see what will happen. Go straight to your animation, then click on appear. See, this one is just pumping out like something I don't know. But hey, this one is better. This is better. Or I can choose something like this. Wow. These are not really so nice, but you can choose another one you want. Better. So let's play our slideshow and see what we have. Okay, so our text will appear only when we click. Yes. So when we click again, we move to the next slide. And that's how it works. So you go back to the first slide. You can apply this effect you did to all, or just a certain text in your slide. You can add more beautiful animation to this by clicking here. Then I want to go to the next and do the same to it. The lessons. One that I want to turn to shapes. Okay. And these other ones, select all. I want them to float in. Yeah. So, and that's just it. So the next that we need to do is to learn more on how you can add pictures, shapes, charts in your slide, and then how to animate them too. Remember, when you animate a slide show, that's a slide itself or the text inside the slide, you always need to set when it will appear, whether you want it to appear on click or automatically.